Welcome to day 19 at Project Chief. Today, we're going to do wiring.
And other things.
Mostly wiring. Enjoy.
Or don't, but just keep watching.
So in that last little section of the time lapse, you saw us put up these little ropes on the wall, which might seem pretty weird. But those ropes are actually our, rough an example of where we're going to be doing some inset LED stripping into the drywall. So those two strips are going to be really cool LED lights.
Thanks for sticking around and watching us do some work.
Yes. Go ahead and like this video.
And subscribe. Also, there's some rope hanging up.
I already talked about the rope.
No, I know you did, but you left me out of it. So,
It's okay. No, Andy also talked about the rope. Because of that, subscribe to our channel.
ring the bell for notifications.
Leave a comment if you have questions.
And stay tuned for week 5.
That was a good one. That was gold.
Was it? I don't
That
know.
was gold.
I think we should re-film all of it.